करने का तो बहुत मन करता है, लेकिन बेसिक कंसीलर और फाउंडेशन लगाना भी नहीं आता. Don't worry, I got you covered, because in today's video I will be sharing with you not just one, not just two, but 5 concealer and foundation hacks that you need to know if you want to take your makeup game from here to here. So as you can see, I am having nothing at all on my face right now, like nothing, not even moisturizer, no primer, nothing. Step number 1. This is not a hack, but this is a very important step that you need to know if you want your makeup to last all day. यहाँ पर मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ मार्स हाइड्रा ग्लो प्राइमर. इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट इन इंडियन मार्केट. It is a liquid based primer and it actually hydrates your skin and makes your makeup last the whole day. If you have a dry skin, you can definitely try this primer for yourself. Now that my skin is fully hydrated and prepped, I have used primer on my skin, and it is very important to use a primer before any sort of makeup. आप कोई सा भी मेकअप कर रहे हो, प्राइमर लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर प्राइमर नहीं लगाओगे तो मेकअप विल नॉट लास्ट एंड इट विल क्रीज, इट विल फेड. टिप नंबर 1, I mean hack number 1, that you should use a beauty blender to blend your makeup. So never use a dry beauty blender because this is completely dry. Now I will show you what you must do. Take water, take a beauty blender, dunk your beauty blender in like so, and do this, like press it. It will soak up water and it will become double in size literally, and you have to squeeze all the water out of this like so. You have to take all the water out of it. Do not leave it wet, you just need it to be damp. Now I have my beauty blender damp but not wet, so it is damp, completely good to go for your foundation. I'm using this MAC Studio foundation and this is in the shade NC35. Try to take as close as your original skin tone or one shade lighter to get that glow. I have taken foundation on the back of my hand like so. Never directly pump your foundation onto your face because it will be so messy, you will not be able to handle it later. Never use your beauty blender to pick up your foundation from your hand because the beauty blender will soak up half of the product and you will not have even coverage and it will be a waste of product. Instead, you must blend your foundation like so with your fingers and then dab it all over your face. Hack number 2, very important. You must have seen those pictures in which they have like, you know, like that goddess glow, like the glow from inside. It does not come from inside, but it comes from this. This is liquid highlighter. Mix at least 1 drop in your foundation like so. Now I have taken my foundation and the highlighter and now I'm going to mix it using my fingers like so. You have to evenly incorporate it to avoid any kind of patchiness or, you know, like uneven finish. Now I have blended it very well. Never waste the product that is left on the back of your hand like so. Take your beauty blender, of all the product that is left on the back of your hand. It will just get your product used. Always go in dabbing motion and not rubbing motion. Never in rubbing motion, because it will take away all your product and make it look very uneven. Can you see the glow? It is so wow. I mean, look at this. Look at the glow it gave to my face. Like, it's looking like I'm glowing from inside. Now I have applied foundation on my neck as well. At number 3 maybe. I don't know. If you have little bit of darkness under your eyes or around your mouth or anywhere, like you have hyperpigmentation, anything like dark spots or something like that, always use a darker shade of concealer from your original concealer shade. Always take 2 to 3 tones darker because it will conceal away any darkness that you have. I do have darkness under my eyes and around my mouth, so I'm going to take this darker shade of concealer and apply it only on the places where I feel like I have darkness. Now I'm going to use the same beauty blender and blend this concealer away in dabbing motion, not in rubbing motion. It is very important to do this step before applying your original shade of concealer because this will conceal away all the darkness. Next up, I'm using this blush from Mars Cosmetics. This is a liquid blush and I'm applying it on the places where I feel like I want the flushed look. Next up, I'm blending it away with my fingers. You can also use a brush or beauty blender. I used a brush later. You must be wondering why I applied blush before concealer. So this is a very important hack if you want your makeup to look literally filter-like. So apply your liquid blush before your original concealer shade because sometimes it happens that your blush looks a little too much or out of the place. तो ये स्टेप मतलब कि अपने ओरिजिनल कंसीलर शेड को लिक्विड ब्लश के बाद लगाना आपको हेल्प करता है टू गेट रिड ऑफ एनी एक्सेस ब्लश दैट यू हैव अप्लाइड. Next up, I am taking this loose setting powder from Mars Cosmetics. अपना मेकअप लूज पाउडर या फिर कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर से सेट करना एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप है. नो मैटर वॉट आप कितने ही स्टेप्स फॉलो कर लो, अगर आप अपनी क्रीम प्रोडक्ट्स को लास्ट में पाउडर के साथ सेट नहीं करोगे, योर मेकअप विल क्रीज 100%. इट विल फेड अवे, leaving you with patchiness and crease line. If you also want to see the whole look that I created after this base, go check it out on my Instagram page right here. It is linked under my YouTube channel. Go check it out for more such amazing content. I do post reels, behind the scenes and pictures over there. Go check it out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop your thoughts in the comment section below.